Alas 4:15.
Ha?
Alas 4:14.
4? Bawat kong balis ka doon.
Di maligo na sige patalig siya.
Bon, sino ka? Mau, nagsi. Bau, panahon ko nga.
Kahapon pagkaligoon o maligo. Sige patalig siya.
Lumor magita-bita nga nga. Sino gisik na lang. Gisik, wala.
Sir activity dapat supervisor Flores, Mr. Petadina, Thursday when I don't care representative from the producer Alex Cursis, Schoolhead was a third island, the star, Mr. Philbert, Schoolhead, ultimate time, the school time, distinguished speaker, Mr. David Rodriguez, to dedicate to Schoolhead, Mr. Dante, Wicked, to dedicate whatever working. Teachers to the board officers that were bonus distributed to the PT officers of the learning and understanding today work recommendation of supervisors personnel years spent on the understanding and as a year was not clear that the partition desire to create and done then also create complex straightforward relational language basis meaning always part of our content. What I mean, this day is a celebration of our achievement, our milestones, and the tireless efforts that both us here at this event raise the memories of our hateful and the most thanks to our signification. To our activity 956 supervisor from Happy West, Mr. Peta Pepe, there is them and hardworking representative from the field, Mr. Alex Resis, school head of Santa Rosa Elementary School, and Mr. Sulford Catalan, school head of Elementary School, the distinguished speaker, Ms. Gula Ervigas, to our dedicated school head, Mr. Dande Eframinket, to our creative and hardworking teachers, to the board of just led by Honorable Anastasia Bantay, to the